Study with Artemis Inc. podcast. This information was produced with the assistance of AI-generated content. Sacred geometry in nature, plants, trees, and longevity. Introduction. Unveiling nature's hidden blueprint. Welcome to this exploration of sacred geometry, a fascinating field that suggests fundamental geometric patterns and mathematical ratios underpin the very fabric of our universe. Today, we'll delve into how these ancient principles manifest in the natural world, with a special focus on the intricate designs found in plants, the majestic structures of trees, and how these geometric efficiencies contribute to the remarkable longevity of natural life. Prepare to see the world around you with new eyes, recognizing the universal language of form and pattern that speaks of profound order and beauty. The Golden Ratio, pH, and Fibonacci sequence, nature's preferred proportions. At the heart of sacred geometry lies the Golden Ratio, often represented by the Greek letter phi, pH, approximately equal to 1.618. This irrational number emerges from the Fibonacci sequence, 0.11112 to 3 right to 8 to 13 to 21 to 34, where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. As the sequence progresses, the ratio of successive numbers approaches pH. Nature, in its infinite wisdom, seems to have a profound preference for these proportions. You can observe the Fibonacci sequence and the Golden Ratio in the arrangement of leaves on a stem, a phenomenon known as phyllotaxis. For instance, in many plants, leaves spiral around the stem in a way that ensures optimal sunlight exposure for each leaf, minimizing shading. The number of spirals in one direction versus the other often corresponds to consecutive Fibonacci numbers, such as 2 and 3, 3 and 5, or 5 and 8. Think of the spiral patterns on the head of a sunflower, the scales of a pine cone, or the florets of a daisy. They all exhibit these precise, elegant spirals. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about efficiency. This spiral arrangement allows for the maximum number of leaves or seeds to be packed into a given space, optimizing resource collection and distribution. It's a testament to nature's inherent engineering brilliance, ensuring the plant's survival and flourishing. Fractals, the infinite complexity of trees and ferns. Beyond spirals, sacred geometry reveals itself in the fractal patterns abundant in nature. A fractal is a complex, geometric shape that exhibits self-similarity, meaning it looks roughly the same at any scale. Zoom in on a part of a fractal, and it resembles the whole. Trees are prime examples of natural fractals. Observe a tree branch. It splits into smaller branches, which in turn split into even smaller twigs, and so on, down to the tiniest leaf veins. Each branching pattern, from the main trunk to the smallest leaflet, mirrors the overall structure of the tree. This fractal branching allows trees to maximize their surface area for photosynthesis, efficiently capturing sunlight and to distribute water and nutrients throughout their vast structures. Ferns are another exquisite demonstration of fractals. Each frond of a fern is composed of smaller leaflets, which themselves are miniature versions of the entire frond. This recursive pattern is not merely beautiful, it's an incredibly efficient way for the plant to maximize its light absorption in often shaded environments. The fractal nature allows for complex structures to be built from simple, repeating rules, optimizing growth and resource utilization. Platonic solids and cellular structures, the building blocks of life. While perhaps less immediately obvious than spirals and fractals, The underlying principles of Platonic solids, the five regular, convex polyhedra, can be seen in the microscopic and macroscopic organization of life. These shapes, tetrahedron, cube, octahedron, dodecahedron, and icosahedron, are characterized by having identical regular polygonal faces and the same number of faces meeting at each vertex. In plants, the arrangement of cells, particularly in fruits and seeds, can sometimes approximate these fundamental geometric forms. For instance, the hexagonal packing found in honeycomb, which is a highly efficient way to fill space, is also seen in the cellular structure of some plant tissues. While not always perfect Platonic solids, the principles of efficient packing and symmetrical arrangement, which these solids embody, are fundamental to the growth and structural integrity of plants. The precise angles and symmetries found in these basic geometric forms contribute to the stability and strength of biological structures, allowing them to withstand environmental stresses. Sacred geometry and longevity, the efficiency of form. The presence of sacred geometric patterns in plants and trees is not merely a coincidence of aesthetics, it is deeply intertwined with their ability to thrive and achieve remarkable longevity. These patterns represent highly efficient strategies for growth, resource management, and resilience. Consider the efficiency of the golden ratio in Phyllotaxis. By optimizing leaf arrangement, plants maximize their light absorption, leading to more efficient photosynthesis and robust growth. This optimized energy production directly contributes to the plant's health and its ability to withstand disease and environmental changes over long periods. The fractal branching of trees allows for an incredibly efficient transport system for water and nutrients from the roots to the highest leaves, and for sugars produced during photosynthesis to be distributed throughout the tree. This optimized internal network minimizes energy expenditure for transport, allowing more energy to be allocated to growth and repair, which are crucial for longevity. The fractal structure also provides exceptional structural integrity, distributing stress evenly and making the tree more resistant to wind and other forces. Furthermore, the inherent symmetry and balance found in sacred geometric forms contribute to the overall stability and health of the organism. When structures are built with optimal proportions and efficient packing, they are inherently stronger, more resilient, and less prone to structural failure. This allows trees to grow to immense sizes and live for hundreds, even thousands of years, enduring countless seasons and challenges. The precise, ordered growth, dictated by these geometric principles, ensures that every part of the plant or tree contributes optimally to the whole, fostering a robust and enduring life. Conclusion: a universal language of life. From the smallest seed to the tallest redwood, sacred geometry is woven into the very fabric of nature. The golden ratio, Fibonacci sequences, fractal patterns, and the principles underlying Platonic solids are not abstract mathematical concepts, but living blueprints that guide growth, optimize function, and contribute to the enduring resilience and longevity of plants and trees. Recognizing these patterns allows us to appreciate the profound intelligence embedded within the natural world. It speaks of an underlying order, a universal language of form and proportion that connects all life and reminds us of the intricate beauty and harmony that surrounds us. Copyright 2025. References: Livio, M. 2002. The Golden Ratio. The Story of Phi, the World's Most Astonishing Number. Broadway Books. Mandelbrot, B.B., 1982. The Fractal Geometry of Nature, W. H. Freeman and Company. Docchi, G. 1981. The Power of Limits. Proportional Harmonies in Nature, Art, and Architecture. Shambhala Publications. Paul, P. 2001. The Self-Made Tapestry. Pattern Formation in Nature. Oxford University Press. Thomson, D. A. Dew, 1942. On Growth and Form. Cambridge University Press.